Hi friends, now I would like to explain the various operations performed on the data structures. Operations performed on data structures. Here we remember one of the important point, that is the operations performed on the data structures. Operations performed on data structures is their application usage. Application usage. Based on the application usage, that means where these data structures to be used. All the data structures not used for all purpose. So we are using arrays for one purpose, and we are using stacks for other purpose, and we are using queues or something for other purpose, etc. For that reason, their application operations is based on their application usage. You should remember that is the important point. Next one is what are the operations actually we are going to be perform. The following are the operations we are perform on data structures. The first operation is insert. Insert means we are adding adding new data element to the data structure. So, for example, let us consider an array. I am going to be consider int some y is an array, or y is an array of 5 elements. So, when we are declare that, so the array is formed on the memory like that. The array name is y. This is the first element indexed by 0, second element, third element, second element, third element, and fourth element. Total 5 elements. So here 10, 15, 20 is there. Now I am going to be add, suppose a of 3 equal to 40. So the third index, this one. Here I am going to be add 40 means now the 40 is added here. So this is the insertion operation. The second one is deletion. Delete or remove operation. Here we are accessing, that means we get data from the data structure. Accessing data from the data structure. Data from the data structure. Again we consider the example. Let us consider, to explain all this one, I am going to be consider the array as an example. Suppose again this is an array whose name is capital Y, and this is the first element, and this is the sorry second element, and this is the third element, and this is the fourth element. Suppose the array consisting of 4 elements. Now I am going to be write integer x, and x equal to y of 1. So what is the index value 1? This one. In this index value, in this location, 20 is there. 20 is transferred to x. Now the value of x equal to 20. So we are get back. we are getting the data, we are going to be stored in another variable. This is the removal of the element. The next one is we are going to be perform search operation. Search means whether a particular element or data existed in the data structure or not. Now again consider an array. Suppose the array of elements are considered like that. Suppose 10, 12, 15, 18 and 17. Suppose let us consider the array name is y. Now the element I am going to be search for, I am going to be an element equal to suppose 14. So I am compare the element value with the first one, that is 10 not equal to 14 and 12 not equal to 14, 15 not equal to 14 and 18 not equal to 14, 17 not equal to 14. Hence element not in the array. That means search unsuccessful. Search is unsuccessful because the 14 not in the array. Again let us consider another element equal to 18. Now again I am going to be compare 18 with 10. No. And 18 with 12. It is not compared. 18 with 15. It is not equal. 18 with 18. So the 18 is available within the array. So search is successful. Right? This is the search operation. Next one I am going to be explain. I am going to be take, please wait one more. I would like to explain modify or update operation. Modify or update. Right? What it means change the existing value within the data structure, within the data structure. Modifying changing. Again let us consider this is an array. This array name is y. This is the 0 location 10. This is the first location 20. This is the second location 30 and this is the fourth location 40. Now I would like to change the value within the second location. For that I am going to write that y of 2 equal to uh, 25. Now what happened? The value 30 is replaced with the value of 25. Now after doing this operation, the array is like that. That is 10, that is 20, after that 25 and 40. 0 location, first location, second location, third location. This is y. Okay, y of 2 second location value is changed. 30 is replaced with 25. The next one is I am going to be say that sorting operation. What do you mean by the sorting? Sorting means arranging data within the data structure, within the data structure, either in ascending order ascending order or descending order. Descending order. So for that reason, again I am going to be consider a list of elements. Simply I am going to be consider that equal to 2, 2, 7, 5, minus 3, 6, 4. Here we observe that the elements are not in a particular order. I am going to be formed as in ascending order means that is small value to large value. That is the first one is minus 3, after that 2, after that 4, after that 5, after that 6, and after that 7. Now all the elements in a increasing value of the order. This is ascending order. What do you mean by the descending order? Descending order means reverse of the ascending order. Simply big value to the small value. That is here the 7 is the big value, the next 6, the next 5, the next 4, the next 2, and finally minus 3. So this is the descending order. So in this way we are sorting the elements. Sometimes one more operation is merging. Merging means combining two or more data elements. I'm going to write that merging means combining two or more data elements. Here, for example, I am going to say a list L1 as minus 3, 4, 7. I am going to be consider another list is that equal to 5, 4, or suppose 5, 3, 2. Now I am going to be combining these two lists as a single list L as that equal to minus 3, 4, 3, 2, 7. Here order is not important. By combining these two lists, I am forming a single list. This is known as merging. I hope you can understand. Thank you.